Hey there, friends. I'm Veerendra Kumar, your go-to mentor for everything tech, trade, and beyond. Welcome to Tech and Trade Tutorials. I'm an assistant lecturer at Yugchetna Mahavidyalaya in Uttar Pradesh, and I'm on a mission to make learning fun, practical, and absolutely engaging. So, what's in store for you here at Tech and Trade Tutorials? Let me break it down. First up, mathematics and reasoning. Ever found yourself stuck on a tough math problem? I've got innovative tricks and shortcuts that'll make those competitive exams a breeze. Next, we dive into commerce and accounting. Complex concepts? Not a problem. I simplify them so you can understand and excel with ease. For all you aspiring techies, I cover basic computer skills. Whether you're a beginner or just need to brush up, I've got essential tools to get you started. And for those venturing into the world of finance, learn Tally versions 7.2,9 ERP9. Get practical accounting knowledge that's crucial for today's business environment. We don't stop there. Master advanced Excel techniques to boost your efficiency and productivity. And of course, we'll delve into Microsoft Office, giving you the professional tools you need for daily tasks. This channel is dedicated to students, aspirants, and professionals looking to master practical skills and explore innovative methods to succeed. Think of it as your one-stop destination for all things educational and professional. Now, why should you listen to me? Well, with 1.5 years of teaching experience at Shakuntala Krishna Institute of Technology, I've honed the art of simplifying complex concepts and making them accessible and engaging. My approach is always learner-focused, ensuring you get the most out of every tutorial. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for insightful tutorials, smart tricks, and expert guidance. Let's learn, grow, and decode the future together with Tech and Trade Tutorials. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop me an email at tradetutorialtech@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is ours to decode. Catch you in the next video.